Home renovation and remodeling can be great ways to increase your home's value while tailoring it to your lifestyle preference. Each year, trends change. While some remain popular for a while, others are here and gone faster than you can say. Granite countertops. I'm Anh-Dao Tran with the Walker team. According to our research, here are the top 8 home renovation and remodeling projects for 2023 in no particular order. Number 1. Spa-style bathrooms. Creating a serene spa-like environment in your bathroom provides somewhere to unwind and relax after a long day. Consider a bathroom with a large bathtub, stand-up shower, low lighting, and calm colors. Bring a bit of nature into the space to complete the calming environment. And don't forget those scented candles. Number 2. Bold wallpaper. You might think it's a 70s thing, but wallpaper has made a comeback. Wallpaper can work in any room and is a great way to show off the personality or the style of the space while staying on budget. Of course, you may not want to wrap an entire room in wallpaper, but choosing one accent wall to have some fun is all the trend right now. Number 3. Large window banks. There's nothing better than natural light in a home, and the best way to get it is with large banks of windows. Whether you add windows to multiple walls or install a floor-to-ceiling window wall as a focal point in a room, large windows will transform a space in the most beautiful way. Number 4. Multifunctional islands. Kitchen islands have been around for years, but they are now doing so much more than simply adding a few feet for the counter space. Homeowners are saving space for installing their dishwashers, sink, and trash pull-outs in island, leaving much more room throughout the kitchen for other things. Of course, an island is also a gathering place for everyone, so the trend in 2023 is large sitting areas around the island where everyone can gather together. Number 5. Multifunctional rooms. If the last 2 years prove anything, it's worth that no matter how big your house is, it likely still doesn't provide enough workspace for everyone. That's a big reason why multifunctional rooms are another hot trend for 2023. Families want to know their home has the space working from home, spontaneous Zoom meetings, or homeschooling without tripping over each other. Number 6. Functional mudrooms. Every home needs a drop zone, a place where everyone can make the transition from being outdoors to being ready for the indoors. Shoe racks, closets, and areas to wash up are just a few of the key features of a functional mudroom, which often pulls double duty as a laundry room. Today's multifunctional mudroom offer more than a washer and dryer or a hook for jackets. They are where everyone drops the wet or dirty clothes to help keep the house clean. Number 7. Built-in storage. Think cubbies in mudrooms, pull-out shelves, bathroom hooks, and places to collect all the cores and accessories, and stylish open shelving for bedrooms and bathrooms for decor and storage. Built-in storage can be open or closed and hidden. You get to decide what look you're going for in your home, but it's simple to make use of your walls and give yourself the storage you need without taking too much space. Number 8. Define your outdoor spaces. Adding a dedicated lounge to your back or side yard can feel like adding a whole room's worth of square footage to your house. It could be as easy as a new patio set and a fire pit with some gravel or simple flagstone landscaping. Use these strengths as motivation, but there's no right way to renovate or remodel your space. All projects should take your unique personality, lifestyle, and budget into consideration. And while there will be some features that are more valuable than others, when the time comes to sell your home, the happiest homeowners are the ones who recreate their space based exactly on the way they want to live in it.
All right, Rich, come on, let's go.
Yeah. Are you kidding?
As always, I'm Anh-Dao Tran with the Walker team of Intero, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. Need reference or ideas? I'm always here to help you with all things housing related.